Today's modern tech-friendly living rooms are incomplete without a good TV stand in the mix. The last thing you want to do is put your expensive, high-end 4K television on just your everyday wobbly surface. No, it's vital to secure your investment by reinforcing it with a dependable TV stand. There are hundreds of thousands of options across the internet, so the search for just the right stand for your particular situation can get a little, well, daunting. You could be stuck in a deep, dark rabbit hole for weeks. Well, let's put an end to that possibility right this minute as we jump into the top 3 best TV stands on the market right now. As always, you'll find links to each of today's recommendations down in the description of this video. Check those out for even more details on each one and grab your favorite at the latest and best deals. Want something classic with a modern sleek touch? You want the Walker Edison Wren Classic 4 Cubby TV stand for TVs up to 65 inches. You can choose from 15 different color options to best fit your decor. Display your TV in style with this wood media stand. Crafted from high-grade MDF with a durable laminate finish for a rich, textured surface, this storage console features 4 open shelves for anything from your electronics to your home decor. With a cord management port at the back of each shelving space, you'll never have to worry about a tangled mess of wires as it keeps them organized. This entertainment stand mixes a traditional style with the on-trend rustic farmhouse look with its simple design and will be a classic piece to your living room. These shelves are completely adjustable, so you can accommodate a big subwoofer or your favorite gaming console. The overall large shelves really give you a lot of flexibility for storage and placing your favorite decorations. The durable laminate finish is beautifully done and made to stand the test of time. The Walker Edison Wren Classic 4 Cubby TV stand is the perfect centerpiece to any living room. Now, if you're looking for just some sturdy legs to securely brace your TV with, there are a couple of great options to look at. The first one I want to tell you about is the WALI TVS001 Universal TV Stand Tabletop. The TV stand holds 22 to 65 inch TVs that weigh up to 110 pounds with VESA compatibility of 75 by 75 millimeters up to 800 by 400 millimeters. Made of high-grade steel to hold your TV steady for a durable and sleek tabletop look. Ample room underneath for cable box or soundbar speakers when installing with a small or mid-sized TV. It will more than satisfy your need for a functional tabletop TV stand. Enjoy the viewing flexibility of 2-level height adjustable mounting holes. WALI is committed to building high-quality mounts for every budget and everyone. Solutions for every budget, from monitor mounts to speaker mounts and projector mounts or collections, achieve the optimal balance between functionality, design, and aesthetics, so you know this is a brand you can trust. WALI TVS001 Universal TV Stand Tabletop definitely has a more modern and sleeker look to it, as you're really only going to see 2 thin angled legs from the bottom of your screen. So if you like more of a traditional style, you'll be more interested in the PERLESMITH Universal TV Stand Tabletop TV Stand. This stand has a single rectangular pole attached to a flat black base. This look definitely adds a lot of additional support. This universal TV mounting bracket is designed to fit most 37 to 55 inch flat panel LCD, LED, 4K TVs up to 88 pounds. VESA mounting hole pattern, compatible faceplate fits VESA 100 by 100 mm, 4 inch by 4 inch, 200 by 100 mm, 8 inch by 4 inch, 200 by 200 mm, 8 inch by 8 inch, 300 by 200 mm, 12 inch by 8 inch, 300 by 300 mm, 12 inch by 12 inch, 400 by 300 mm, 16 inch by 12 inch, 400 by 400 mm, 16 inch by 16 inch. Please be noted, this TV base only works if the mounting hole is 16 inches or less and can't fit VESA 600 by 200 mm, 24 inch by 8 inch, and 600 by 400 mm, 24 by 16 inch. This universal TV stand has it all: 15-minute installation, 2 options of mounting TV brackets, and 3 sets height adjustment of TV plate to suit different applications or TV sizes. The universal TV stand-based tabletop stand to mount your TV and AV components on an entertainment center or a desk table. The product comes with an easy-to-use instruction manual for quick and easy installation with fittings provided. Install the TV stand without any hassle. The TV mounting bracket is compatible with Samsung, Sony, LG, Sharp, Insignia, Vizio, Haier, Toshiba, Sharp, Element, and TCL. Black tempered glass gives an added touch to your home theater system while providing security and stability when mounting your devices. PERLESMITH Universal TV Stand Tabletop TV Stand is another TV stand that you can count on to protect your investment. So those are the top 3 best TV stands on the market right now that you should narrow your search down to. I hope this video helped you realize which one is the perfect fit for your specific needs. I love sharing these with you, so if there's another product that you're having a hard time narrowing it down on, let me know in the comments along with any questions you may have about today's video. I can't wait to answer your questions because you guys always have such great ones. And don't forget, you'll easily find the links to today's recommendations in the description below so you can snag your own at the best deals when you're ready. If you enjoyed today's video, let me know by hitting that like button, and be sure to subscribe to Consumer Buddy for even more great recommendations in future videos. Thank you guys for joining me today. It's been a ton of fun, and I'll see y'all in the next one.